Okay, I made a pin cap removal tool out of a cocktail fork. So I just used some standard pliers, bent these tips up. This tool, it's got like a little spoon on the end. I had this in my toolbox. I used it for various things, and anyway, so this happens to be a Baldwin lock, and some of them have two dimples here in the cap, and then some of them just have one dimple in the middle of the cap. So I'll do the one with two dimples. So just kind of went at a little bit of an angle, kind of lift it up like that, and that removes the cap. I suppose you could make this out of maybe even a regular fork and just cut a couple of the prongs off or whatever. I mean, just looking around my desk, maybe you could just take like a plastic pen cap. Probably wouldn't be strong enough, but no, that's not going to work. Anyway, this pen cap, just bend it up. But so what I'm saying is there's a number of things you could use, preferably metal, so that your tool would last. Good luck.